My dearest student, welcome. I am so happy to welcome you to this section. Facebook business is a big topic, and there has been many questions about the new Facebook business page. And I am so happy I can all share it with you, because this topic about all these new layout, new functions, new possibilities, and especially the new experience is really challenging. And honestly, when I saw firstly the new Facebook, I was like, oh, how I am going to use it. But during some time, you can truly get used to it, and it's fantastic. With all the new publishing tools and also using the Creator Studio. It's something really great because you can optimize the page, you can optimize the top design, you can use video, or you can use for the cover like slideshow, you can optimize the information setup, automated messages, and this all we cover. And the most important is the story. I will show you how to set up the story of your Facebook business page, how to connect Instagram, Facebook together. So later on, when we use Business Manager, it will be really useful so you can push your ads directly Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, all in one solution. And the most important, we are going to cover it really deep, step by step, including a new business page setup. And this video is especially made for beginners. So if you have been already having a business page, or you have been using the Facebook, this might not be the best video for you. But if you wonder how to start, how to understand the Facebook business page, this is a fantastic video, and I am so happy to share everything with you.